Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about how to check country data in Google Analytics. So first of all, you have to log in your Google Analytics account, then click on reports and then scroll down and you can see users. If you are not able to see user, that means you have not enabled it. You have to click on library and then you can enable it or publish it. So you have to click on three dots and then publish it, and now you can click on demographics details inside the user attributes. So here you can see countrywise data and how to analyze it. You can add second dimension and also add city. So here you can see city. You can also add device if you want to, device category select, and you can see device wise data as well. And if you want to add any filter, you can add filters here. Click on add filter and then click on, suppose you want to see source and medium and exact match. Suppose I want to see Google organic and then apply, and you can see this is the Google organic data. So you can analyze your country report according, I mean, by using filters and secondary dimension, and improve your website ranking and traffic and optimize your country wise, you know, data. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any query, you can ask me in the comment box.